All right, so we got another SIG on the table, the P365 in the Rose Edition. This is a, what is it called, 380? Yup, chambered in 380. And what we're gonna do is figure out how to put this goddamn red dot on. So we're gonna start by yanking these out. That don't feel good. So if you do any type of research on these SIG optics, you'll find that it's either hit or miss. People have optics that run perfect for years, and people have optics that just shit the bed on them, you feel me? It's like, you just gotta take your chances at that point. Why isn't this thing just popping off? See, ain't nothing easy in life. Let's see. Can we get this off? Yes, we can. I'm surprised because the one on the X macro is metal. This one right here is this plastic. That's cool. I'm gonna prepare the optic. There we go. That feels. I ain't gonna lie, that battery don't feel like it. Let's see, because probably like that. Press up. All right. Very bright optic. Perfect. All right, so what you just saw is me install the battery into the optic, and then these optics come with this little plastic to cover and keep any gunpowder residue and carbon out of those areas that it protects. All right, so let's see how this drops in. And it looks very simple with this shroud. I'm gonna drop this in. Okay, that's how it's supposed to be oriented. Now we just gotta figure out what set of screws we're gonna work for this. We have red Loctite, blue Loctite, red Loctite, and M4. This M4 shit. You know what? We can probably do some research. Which pack in the set of screws that we get for the SIG red dots fits the P365? And it's asking for the M3 screws. All right. All right, that's on. We are going to drop one screw right here. Get it started. Drop the other screw right here. Get it started. I mean, I like the look of it. But I know they have another shroud, the rose gold shroud for this. That might look a little bit better with the other painted items. Let me see if I can just, I hate those Allen keys. That. It's a little bit too small. That's perfect size. And now we got to remember that this optic is manufactured out of plastic. Fuck. Yeah, this one is totally plastic, and it has that weird ass button up top right there, and I think that's your adjustment button for the light or the intensity of the optic light, the red dot in there. finish with this. Perfect. 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 Now, final touches are going to be our little marks to see if they walked out on us. Perfect. And there you go, guys. That's a little installation. So when I'm looking through this, what I'm experiencing is a red ass, big ass dot. There you go. That's way better. That's manageable. That's not bad. I like it. I fuck with it. This is not really the perfect gun for me. You see, it's a little bit small, obviously. But for a nice young lady, it'll be perfect for it. I don't know why they send so much bullshit, but we got a lot of guns that's compatible with this optic, and I guess they all have different heights, so they just need different screws. I'm gonna put everything in the same bag, including these. All right, so that was just a little video on the installation of one of the SIG Romeo dots on a P365 X macro, specifically the Rose Edition, which comes with 10 round mags of 380. Put back all these tools real quick. All right. Me personally, I don't like the gun, but looks cool enough. It looks great. It's a cool carry gun for somebody. You could definitely pocket carry something like this. The red dot will help with target acquisition, and oddly enough, with the what the fuck is that? With the stippling that comes stock on the Rose, this one has really aggressive stippling. I can really grip that and hold that in. I think it would be a little bit better, grip friendlier if it came with the little duck bill on the back, but this one just comes with the flush one. Pretty much a well-rounded gun, you know what I'm saying? I fuck with it. And the co-witness with the sights is very mediocre. I'm not gonna lie to you. The co-witness with Romeo and well, I guess the shroud does add a little bit more height to the optic. So if the optic was just mounted to the frame without this metal shroud, I guess you would have a better co-witness, but not anything super good. Not anything I like personally. If I would carry this every day, I would switch these out for suppressor height sights so I can get a good true co-witness between the red dot and the iron sights. But other than that, triggers it's okay. I have to shoot it to really give a really good review of the trigger itself, but this has been another red dot installation on the SIG P365 Rose Edition, chambered in 380. Like, comment, subscribe. If you want to have some further videos about this, we can. I feel like this is more of a weapon for either somebody who likes pink or rose gold, a man or a woman, or you're gonna definitely give this to a lady. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? This is built to be a lady's gun. Anyway, guys, that's enough dilly-dallying. I'm gonna try and get some sleep tonight. You guys, remember what I said in the other videos. All things are possible through God. You know what I'm saying? Anything in your life can be prayed about. Get intimate with prayer. Because I feel like I've been not praying the way I should be praying before I got the realization where you can pray about everything. You know what I'm saying? If you want success in the area, pray for it. If you want to be a better shooter, pray for it. You want to be a builder, a mechanic, a smith, engineer, pray about it. Is it a conversation you're about to have with somebody? Pray about it. You know what I'm saying? You about to go on a date with a girl. Pray about it. Tell him about it. You know what I'm saying? All things are possible through God. And that's pretty much the end of this video. You guys keep it cool and be safe and stay dangerous, all right?